Korbit AI has just dropped on the scene, and if you're looking to learn about this powerful new tool, you're in the right place. In today's review, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Stick around to the end because I'll share how you can try it completely free. Plus, I'll tell you about a few AI tools that have been game changers for me. Let's start with the basics. Korbit AI is designed to streamline a ton of digital marketing tasks, especially for businesses that want to automate processes and improve their overall efficiency. It's really easy to use, which means even if you're a beginner, you won't have a steep learning curve. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to features. First up, Korbit AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging content at scale. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or email copy, Korbit can handle it. This is a huge time saver, especially for marketers or business owners who are tired of spending hours writing content or hiring expensive freelancers. But Korbit's abilities don't stop there. One thing I love is its data-driven insights. The software tracks user behavior and suggests optimizations for your content and marketing campaigns. You can even track the performance of your content in real time, which is a game changer when you're trying to maximize your ROI. This kind of automation makes it easy to continuously improve without much extra effort. Now, here's something that sets Korbit apart. It's SEO optimization. If you've ever spent time trying to get your content to rank on Google, you know how frustrating it can be. Korbit's AI goes beyond just keyword suggestions. It helps you create SEO-friendly content that aligns with the latest search trends. This means you're not just writing content that sounds good, you're writing content that actually performs well on search engines. Korbit AI also integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and other content management systems. This makes it a perfect addition to your existing workflow without a major setup or technical headaches. It saves a ton of time and effort, especially if you're already managing several platforms at once. One of the most crucial aspects of Korbit is its customizability. You can tailor the software to fit your brand's tone, style, and preferences. This means the content it generates feels natural and authentic to your audience. And if you're not satisfied with the results right away, Korbit allows you to tweak and refine the output until it meets your exact standards. Another feature I found particularly helpful is Korbit's email marketing automation. It creates personalized email sequences based on your audience's preferences and behavior, making your email campaigns more effective. Plus, the software optimizes delivery times to ensure your emails reach the right people at the right moment. Lastly, Korbit AI is extremely cost-effective compared to other similar tools on the market. You get access to high-end AI technology without breaking the bank. And the best part? You can try it for free right now. Just click the first link below to get started. To wrap things up, Korbit AI is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their digital marketing strategy with AI-powered automation. It's user-friendly, feature-packed, and provides great value for the price. If you're looking for a way to streamline your content creation, boost your SEO, or optimize your email marketing, Korbit AI should definitely be on your radar. As always, I've got some of my favorite AI tools linked in the description below that you can try for free after having tested hundreds of them. So don't miss out, check them out, and start boosting your digital marketing game today.